Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a study schedule in Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar and create a dedicated calendar for your studies. This helps keep your academic life separate and organized. Next, choose a distinct color for this new calendar. This visual cue makes your study blocks stand out. Finally, adjust your default event duration to either 30 or 60 minutes, streamlining the process of adding study sessions. Now, let's block out your study time. Begin by identifying when you are most focused and schedule your toughest subjects during these peak productivity hours. For larger assignments, break them into smaller, more manageable study blocks, perhaps 30 to 60 minutes each. This approach prevents overwhelm and makes consistent progress achievable. Be sure to allocate specific times for each subject to ensure balanced attention. It's crucial to incorporate breaks and review into your schedule. Plan short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every 30 to 60 minutes of study to prevent burnout and maintain concentration. Also, dedicate 1 to 2 hours weekly for comprehensive review sessions, solidifying your understanding of the material. Don't forget to add a 15-minute buffer between study blocks. This allows for flexibility and smooth transitions. To maximize your study schedule, leverage Google Calendar's powerful features. Utilize recurring events for your consistent daily or weekly study habits, which saves you valuable time. Set up notifications to alert you 15 minutes before each session begins, ensuring you are prepared and on time. Consider sharing your study calendar with an accountability partner for mutual encouragement and support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.